Namaste friends, welcome you all for the biology session. So in today's class let us continue with the chapter Cell the Unit of Life. So we were discussing some questions related to this chapter. Let us continue with the part. So from 19th question we can continue. So select the correct sequence of the layer of bacterial cell envelope. So bacterial cell envelope means, and we know that generally the outermost layer which is present, that is glycocalyx, and next to that you can say that the cell wall, second layer, and in that there will be infoldings in the plasma membrane. The infoldings are called as mesosomes. So outer glycocalyx and middle cell wall, and inner wall is plasma membrane. Inner wall is plasma membrane. So these plasma membrane, which is also called as cell membrane. So answer for that is, so correct sequence of the layer of the bacterial cell envelope. So glycocalyx and next cell wall and cell membrane. So here we can also say that from outside to inside. So question we can take, that is sequence layer of bacterial cell envelope. So whenever we are going to say that, you have to take from inside to outside. Better to take inside to outside. So then we can say that cell membrane, glycocalyx, cell wall. So both answer we can select, but here we can take from inside to outside. If specifically they are going to ask outside to inside, then we can select answer C. But here they ask sequence of layer of the bacterial cell envelope is. So you can select this. Next question. There are self-replicating extra chromosomal segments of double-stranded circular and naked DNA present in the bacterial cell. So we are going to say that any of the cell, generally we know that those cells which replicate, self-replicating, the extra chromosomal DNA, these cells are present within the bacterial cell. So here we can say that bacterial cell and nucleoid without nuclear membrane and circular extra chromosomal DNA, which has a capacity to the self-replicating. The answer for that is plasmid. And these plasmids, nucleoid means naked DNA, that is chromosomal DNA, and here we will say this is extra chromosomal DNA other than the nuclear part, right? So, and here mesosomes are the infoldings of plasma membrane, and bacteriophage, the viruses which infect or which affect bacteria are called as bacteriophage. So next question we can take. So whenever we are going to consider that the plasmid, there will be many plasmids, and those plasmids which are also helps in reproduction. Next question. So plant cell differs from animal cell having. So always we can say that the plant cell, where cell wall will be present, we can say in plant cell, and in animals it is absent, and plastids are present in the plants, and in animal cell they are absent. So plant cells differ from animal cell having, and large vacuole will be there, and here will be small vacuole, right? And all of this we can say that plant cell will be with. So next question. which organelle is not a part of endomembrane system? Which organelle is not a part of endomembrane system? We already discussed that endomembrane system, which includes what is it, the Golgi, which includes Golgi apparatus or Golgi complex, and you can say that the endoplasmic reticulum, lysosomes and vacuoles. Lysosomes and vacuoles. So these are endomembrane system. What is the meaning of endomembrane system? Group of membrane bound organelles. So MBO means membrane bound organelles. Group of membrane bound organelles which are what is it, the going to perform their function, right? Or you can say that group of membrane bound organelles, right? They work or show their function in a close coordination. Close coordination. So we know that. So endoplasmic reticulum, which mainly play a major role in, there are two types of endoplasmic reticulum. Already we discussed this. And in rough endoplasmic reticulum there will be ribosomes, and in smooth endoplasmic reticulum there will be ribosomes in rough endoplasmic reticulum. In smooth endoplasmic reticulum, no ribosomes. Which organelle is not a part of endomembrane system? So it is a part endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi complex and lysosome. But even though it is a membrane bound organelle, it is not the which structure, the mitochondria is not comes under endomembrane system. One of the following organelle is not included in endomembrane system. So that is here Golgi complex, lysosomes, vacuoles, and here is a peroxisomes is the answer. So these are we're going to include, right? We can include this Golgi complex, and answer for that is peroxisomes. So next question we can take. According to the unit membrane structure, the thickness of the plasma membrane. So unit membrane, you can say that it describes generally a plasma membrane structure, right? So here we can also say that the thickness is 7 nanometer or what is it, 75 angstrom. So thickness of the plasma membrane is 75 angstrom. And cell recognition and adhesion are facilitated by the components of plasma membrane. These components are generally, so means which will going to helps in transferring messages, or you can say that intracellular messenger or intercellular messenger, right? So intercellular messenger, one cell to the next cell, there is a plasma membrane, right? And generally these plasma membrane, we know that both the bilipid layer and it is proteinaceous. So proteins are present. So answer for that is C. Both lipids and proteins, which helps in cell recognition and adhesion, which are mainly facilitate, or you can say that to transfer or convey, that is intercellular messages. So next question. Continuity of cytoplasm from cell to cell is maintained through cytoplasmic connection in a plasma cord. So here it is at the plasma desmata which will be there. So if this is a cell wall, right, and cell to cell extension, there is a cytoplasm, and this is also a cytoplasm of the plant cell, and this connection which will be there between two cells, there is a cytoplasmic extension, right, through which the ions gets exchanged, or you can say that the any nutrient, or you can say that the cytoplasmic content which is going to get exchanged. So that is cell to cell, what is the connection, right? The continuity of the cytoplasm from cell to cell, that is, which is called as plasmodesmata. Plasmodesmata. So in case of animals, we can say that is the connection which is there, that is desmosomes. We can say desmosomes, which are present in the plant cell. Next question. Choose the incorrect statement regarding the cell membrane. Generally, smaller molecule pass easily and readily than larger molecules. So whenever any particular the molecule which will move, right? So this will be smaller and that will be readily, easily move if it is smaller. Water soluble substances pass through it less readily than lipid soluble. No, that is, as it is mainly made up of lipid, the bilayer, right? So if you consider that on this side also, and at the same time, that is from extracellular the fluid to intracellular fluid, right? If you consider this plasma membrane, so from ear to ear as it will move, or from inside to outside, or outside to inside, or inside to outside, there we can see that water soluble substances pass through it less readily. No, it is very difficult, because these are mainly helps in lipid soluble substances to pass through it than the water. So this is incorrect statement. So membrane are selectively permeable, that is what we can say. So only some the substances, or you can say that the nutrients which will be get transported. So next question. The function of intracellular membrane is not two. So what exactly the intracellular membrane? So the function of intracellular membrane, which own the elements in between the two cells, establish a compartment within the cell. Yes, here you can say that intracellular membrane is not to establish a number of compartments. No, it helps in establishment compartment of, and it provide for neat spatial organization of enzymes and pigments. No such arrangements not to keep the cell rigidity so that it does not collapse. It will provide, and there will be a partition organization will be there in the enzymes and pigmentation, and it not to provide a system of channel for distribution of nutrients within the cell. So here you can say that the function of intracellular membrane, that is outside, in between the cell, intracellular membrane which will be there, so that which helps in the providing the number of compartment of cell, right? So here it won't provide. So answer for that is D, system of channels for the distribution of nutrients. So there will be generally the plasmodesmata and desmosomes will be there. Match the correct column 1 and 2. Here mitochondria, which is the double membrane bound organelle, mitochondria, and lysosome, we know that single membrane bound organelle, and ribosomes without, and nucleus is also double membrane. So A, what is it, 3, and B2, C1, and D3. So we can get like this option, right? So answer for that is, what is it? You can select lysosomes, or so we know that these are also membrane bound organelles. Lysosomes are also membrane bound organelles, vesicular structures formed by the process of packaging in the, generally these are the packaging of the substances or the functions of Golgi apparatus. Golgi apparatus. So these, what is it, the structures, Golgi apparatus, which are called as middlemen of the, what is it, the cell, right? So those Golgi apparatus which helps in packaging the material. So answer for that is membrane bound and Golgi apparatus. So next question we can take, identify the parts labeled as A and B and select the correct answer. So here we can take, what is the enlarge this, and this is the outer cell wall, and this is a plasma membrane, and A is a plasma membrane, and B is a chloroplast, and C is mitochondria, and D is Golgi apparatus. D is, A is plasma membrane, B is chloroplast, and C is mitochondria, C is mitochondria, and D is Golgi complex. Golgi complex. So answer for that is A. Match the next question. You can take, match the column 1 and 2 and select the correct option from the codes given below. So here ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ options cleared ಆಗಿದೆ. Let me read out, right? So dictyosomes, generally which are called as what is it, the Golgi apparatus. Dictyosomes, right, which are also called as, what is it, the Golgi apparatus. So here Golgi body, or you can say that Golgi body, Golgi apparatus, right, which are also called as Golgi complex, and in plants these are called as dictyosomes. Dictyosomes in plants. So these are the middlemen of the cell, or we can say the traffic policeman of the cell. So traffic policeman of the cell. So traffic policeman, if you consider that, so why it is called as, generally before that let us take, it was discovered by Camillo Golgi. So as we all know that we may expect this question, Camillo Golgi, and that to nerve cell of the, in the nerve cell of owl, which was discovered. And if you consider that these are the secretory in function, so what is it, Golgi structures are secretory in function, and they are found only in eukaryotes, only in, what is that, eukaryotes, only in eukaryotes, and absent in matured RBC, and then sperms of mammal cells. So Golgi apparatus which are absent in sperms of mammals. So this is to keep it in mind. So this within only in eukaryotes, and this is absent in RBC and sperms of mammals. And we know that generally there will be a cis phase and trans phase, right? So Here we can say that cis phase. So if you consider that the concave surface and convex surface. So if this is just a rough sketch, and this phase is called as trans phase, this phase is called as trans phase, and this is cis phase. And trans phase, which is a concave phase, and cis phase, which is a convex phase. So this here you have to keep it in mind that cis phase is generally now it will be forming phase, the vesicle which enters through this forming phase, right? So secretory vesicle anta ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ generally. So here you can say that, better to say that only vesicle, the primary vesicle which enters through cis phase, that is a convex phase, and which will going to package within the the lumen of the Golgi body, and that will be secreted out of the trans phase. Hence that cell is called as secretory cells. Secretory cells. And these cells, which play a major role in processing and packaging of primary vesicles, processing and packaging of primary vesicles, process matlab package ಮಾಡ್ತವೆ, packaging of primary vesicles and convert that into secretory cells. So this is you have to keep it in mind. So here we can take answer. So dictyosomes, dictyosomes in the plants or in animals, they helps in secretion, right? So secrete the secretory cells, right, which are with enzymes. And mitochondria, as we all know, that helps in respiration, right? And vacuole. So if you come to this, the vacuole, so vacuole is generally in which the water which will be present, and that will be in the dissolved state, and that mainly the consisting of inorganic ions and sugar and enzymes, vacuoles, which covered by, and there will be different types of vacuoles, and vacuole is totally different from contractile vacuole. Contractile vacuole helps in osmoregulation, but this vacuole which helps to store the the water, inorganic ion, sugar, enzymes. So that is why we can say vacuoles helps in storage. Vacuoles helps in storage. So that is what here we can say, that it helps to store water, excess water, and the dissolved inorganic substances, ions, and sugar and enzymes. Sugar and enzymes will be stored here. And see grana. So grana, which is generally the structure. So along with that, generally mitochondria. So A4, and so we can write here A4, B5, and which also helps in, so grana play a major role in photosynthesis, right? So that is in chloroplast. So B5 and C1, so C1 and D2. So this is the answer for this one. So that is the option 1 is the answer. Next, which of these is not a function of Golgi apparatus? As we already mentioned that these Golgi apparatus play a major role in the production of, or you can say that the secretion of or conversion of, right? So helps in the formation of vesicles, and these Golgi apparatus will going to package the enzymes within the vesicles. So site of synthesis of the glycoproteins, site of synthesis of glycoproteins and glycolipids, it helps in that, and it also helps in secretion and membrane transformation. So that is also site of protein synthesis, where no protein synthesis takes place, which is not a function of Golgi apparatus, which is not a function of Golgi apparatus. So now let us take the next. So here the very important thing is that the Golgi apparatus, which comes under endomembrane system, and that it play a major role, right, in the packaging of the packaging of primary vesicles and convert that into, and here you can say that is why we can say helps in primary lysosomes, production of primary lysosomes, and production of glycolipids and glycoproteins and glycolipids, right. That is what you can say, that generally glycosylation, right, glycoxylation. And it also helps in secretion, means here the secretion which includes, it helps in the secretion of mucilage, right. You can say that the generally the developing root, that is in the root cap, which is rich with Golgi body, right. And it also helps in, that is where the secretion will be two types. One is intercellular, that is intracellular, and extracellular secretion will be there. Intracellular and extracellular secretions will be there. So intracellular example we can say that is generally pectin within the cell, and extracellular, sorry, that is intracellular is pectin, intracellular is pectin, and extracellular we can take mucin. That is what we can say mucilage, right. So mucilage which is abundant in root tip because of the presence of abundant Golgi body. So this is what you have to keep in mind. And here one thing you have to keep in mind, that modified Golgi apparatus, modified Golgi body in sperm, that is called as acrosome. Acrosomes. So acrosome which will be with generally a particular enzyme, lysine, and so lysine which includes, so mainly which includes, which helps in what are the membrane attachment, lyses the ovarian, what is it, the mainly not ovarian, that is ovum, plasma membrane of the ovum, and degrades and helps in penetration of sperm. So there will be a sperm with the acrosome. Acrosome, it is a modified Golgi body and which has a lysine enzyme, that is acrosin and hyaluronidase. Hyaluronidase. So these are the enzymes which are present seen in, what is that? So answer for that is it won't involve in protein synthesis, but it will going to perform all these functions. So D is not the function of, so smooth endoplasmic reticulum is well developed in the cell which is synthesized. So what is the role of smooth endoplasmic reticulum? We already discussed that they play a major role, right, in synthesis of other than the protein. So if you consider that the rough endoplasmic reticulum and smooth endoplasmic reticulum together, they helps in provide a mechanical support and transportation of material within the cell, and formation of nuclear membrane, helps in the formation of, so these are the general function of endoplasmic reticulum. So both together helps in mechanical support they provide, and they also helps in the formation of nuclear membrane, right. So formation of nuclear membrane, and that is also helps in the both together, which also helps in increases the surface area, increases the surface area. So mainly this is for enzymatic reaction, for enzymatic reaction. So common function, these are the common function. And in independent function, if you're going to consider that the smooth endoplasmic reticulum, so that play a major role in formation of lipid and glycogen along with certain hormones. So here it won't helps in the production of proteins. So smooth endoplasmic reticulum well developed in the cells which synthesized, what is it, the steroids. That is what? Hormone, which mainly steroidal type of hormone. So answer for that is steroids, that is steroidal hormone. And same like that, the one which endoplasmic reticulum, which helps in the protein synthesis and formation of, and this will be synthesized by endoplasmic reticulum, that is rough endoplasmic reticulum, and mainly helps in the formation of lysosome enzymes. Keep it in mind, RER helps in the lysosomal enzymes, so which helps in the formation of enzymes which are present within the lysosomes. Right. And next question, in which of the following part mitochondria succinic dehydrogenase enzyme is located? So whenever we want to say that the mitochondria, so which play a major role, so mitochondria, right, which involved in, as we all know that generally it is the powerhouse of the cell, and which helps in the production of, which helps in the mainly ATP production, and this was discovered by what is that, Benda. It's a term given by the term mitochondria given by Benda, and it is discovered by Kollikel, and this is second largest, so generally the second largest cellular component in animal cell. So this which play a major role, right? Generally it is a double membrane bone organelle, outer membrane and inner membrane, the inner membrane, right? So outer membrane, which is a continuous and which forms a limiting boundary, and inner membrane forms the infoldings which are called as cristae. So here we can say that this, the inner, the folding which will be there, that is a cristae, and these which mainly consisting of, so two compartments, that is a outer compartment and inner compartment, right? So outer compartment and this is inner compartment. So in this inner compartment, the matrix which will be there, that is in the membrane, so that is why you can say in the inner membrane, right? Generally in the inner membrane, right, the enzyme, the succinic dehydrogenase is present. So this is the inner membrane. So outer compartment, that is also called as outer compartment, which is also called as perimitochondrial space. Perimitochondrial space. So this is the outer compartment, and inner compartment is a matrix generally, which is with single circular DNA, and that plays a major role generally in few RNA DNA which regulates, self-regulating, right? Autonomic regulation will be there, and they have their the few RNA molecules, and 70S ribosome is present. 70S ribosome, that is a characteristic feature of prokaryotes. These components which helps in synthesis of the proteins. So that is why we can say semi-autonomous. So this enzyme which helps in synthesis of enzyme, that is helps in synthesis of the ATP, that is energy. So mitochondria is actually semi-autonomous organelle, right? Next question, here you can say which organelle help in synthesis of lipids, cholesterol, steroids and visual pigments of the epithelial, the cells of retina. So this we can say that generally the cell which is involved in the synthesis of lipids, cholesterol, steroids and visual pigments, so of the retina. So visual pigments and all those things which are present are synthesized by generally Golgi body involved in this rough endoplasmic reticulum, right? It is involved in the protein synthesis and smooth endoplasmic reticulum. So smooth endoplasmic reticulum which play a major role, right? So this we can take cholesterol, synthesis of lipids, steroids, and visual pigments. Next, mechanical support of enzyme circulation and protein synthesis and detoxification of drugs are the function of. So here the structure which play a major role in the what is it, the detoxification, right? So that is what we can say Golgi apparatus, that is dictiosomes. So Golgi apparatus, or we can also say that Golgi body, so which play a major role in what is that enzyme circulation. I already mentioned that the protein synthesis and detoxification of drugs. So cell organelle is extracted from endosperm of germinating castor beans, or so germinating castor beans, more energy is required. So as we consider that more energy where it is required, so that is mainly what is it, the conversion of what is it, the glycogen into glucose, and glyoxysomes are present in the germinating seeds. So glyoxysomes play a major role in the conversion of the glycogen stored the starch which will be there, and that will be converted into glucose, and these glyoxysomes play a major role to provide that cell organelle extracted from endosperm of germinating castor beans or glyoxysomes. Right, more glyoxysomes will be there. As the release hydrolase enzyme, that is an enzyme that digests old and damaged cells. The term suicide bags, actually suicide bags is aptly used for, we already discussed that, they generally which will be going to what is it, the kill, or you can say that they destroy the old cells or debris, right? So these cells, we can say that this suicidal bags, that is the lysosomes, so which play a major role, right, in what is it, the removing, or you can say that the old cells or damaged cells. So answer for that, Golgi bodies are wrong, and glyoxysomes, peroxisomes are not answer. Lysosomes are the correct answer. Mitochondria can be distinguished from similar looking particles in a living cells by virtue of their affinity for dye known as. Generally the dye which is used what is it, to absorb mitochondria. So mitochondria can be distinguished, right, with the help of Janus green. So here acetocarmine stain, which will be used generally, that is to see the nucleus, and here cotton blue stain, like you can say that the pollen tube germination, so pollen tube can be used, and Janus green. So generally the dye which is used, right, so that is we can use Janus green generally to what is the absorb the mitochondria, and these green, generally Janus green will be used for what is the absorb mitochondria. So why? Because it shows affinity. So that is what we can say vital stain to absorb mitochondria is Janus green. So mitochondria are also called as what is it, the chondriome. Mitochondria are also called as what is it, the chondriome. So this is the thing you have to keep it in mind. So let us continue remaining question in the next part. Thank you.